How's it going, guys? It's Tucker Tuitions here. Today we're going to be going over Rationalising Surds Part 3. Now, today we're going to be looking at this exam question. How do we simplify this in the form of p plus q root 2, where p and q are rational numbers? First, write out your fraction. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rationalise the denominator by multiplying both the top and the bottom by root 2 plus 1. I'm going to write them both as double brackets on the top and the bottom. So 5 minus 3 root 2 there, multiplied by root 2 plus 1. And now I'll write the same for the bottom. Now let's expand them. 5 times root 2 is 5 root 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 3 root 2 times root 2 is going to be minus 3 times 2, which is minus 6. And then minus 3 root 2 times 1 is minus 3 root 2. Now the bottom. Because of the opposite sides, I can just multiply the surds and then the numbers. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. And now I just simplify it. 5 root 2 take away 3 root 2 is 2 root 2. 5 take away 6 is minus 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. So if I divide the top and the bottom by 1, I just get 2 root 2 minus 1. So my p is the spare number, which is minus 1. And the number in front of root 2 is q, which is 2. So have a go at this one yourself, and we'll go through the answers together. Okay, so I do what I did last time. Multiply the top and the bottom by the rationalising denominator, so root 2 plus 1. Now I write it in the form of double brackets. Now I expand the top line. 7 times root 2 is 7 root 2. 7 times 1 is 7. Now I deal with minus 5 root 2. Minus 5 root 2 times root 2 is minus 5 times 2, which is minus 10. And then minus 5 root 2 times 1 is minus 5 root 2. Now I expand the bottom. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. So I'm going to move this over here. And now I simplify this. 7 root 2 take away 5 root 2 is 2 root 2. 7 take away 10 is minus 3. And 2 take away 1 is 1. So I get 2 root 2 minus 3. Q is on the outside of root 2, so Q has got to be 2. P is a number by itself. And because there's a minus there, we're going to include the minus as well. P is minus 3. Many thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Calculator. Bye!